Hi guys, I'm called Daisy. I'm going to show you how to terminate the Ethernet wire. I have all my equipment here. So I'm going to begin by cutting it so that I can come up with an appropriate So after cutting it, you have to come here and be able to separate the wires like I'm doing here. Then you have to cut this insulator here, so you get your then you untwist them, since like you can see they're already twisted, so you start untwisting them. All of them should be untwisted. So after untwisting them, make sure that you straighten them. Make sure that they are straight, like the way you see I'm doing here. After straightening the wires, you make sure that you cut them into a straight, neat, organized line. Then you go ahead and organize them as orange, white, then orange. Then you go and look for your white, green, then green itself. Then you go for this blue. Then you come for this brown one. Then you come for this brown. Make sure that they're all in a very straight line, like you can see here. Then after organizing them in that respective color, you make sure that you insert them here properly. Make sure that they're properly inserted. So after inserting the wires in here respectively, I'm also going to do the same thing that I've done here to the other side, this side. So after attaching your RG45s as seen here, you're supposed to connect them into a tester, but I do not have one at the moment. And it will, when you put them in a tester, it will show you if they are properly connected or not. So the crossover cable, I'm going to keep the arrangement on this side, but I'm going to change the arrangement of the cables on this other side. The arrangement of the crossover cables is like this. So I'm going to have green, white here, it's here. Then you go for the green, then you go for white, it's here, it's here. Then you go for the blue, you go for the white, then you go for the orange, then you go for the white again, then you go for the brown respectively. After that, you insert your RG45, and yes, this is how it will look like, and you can test your wire.